सुस्वागतम विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी विषय विज्ञान यामधील प्रकरण क्रमांक 14 सबस्टन्सेस इन कॉमन यूज याबद्दलचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे केमिकल सबस्टन्सेस यूज करत असतो, पण सायंटिफिकली आपल्याला त्यांच्याबद्दलची माहिती नसते. या पाठामध्ये आपण अशाच काही सबस्टन्सेसचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत आणि त्यांच्याबद्दलची माहिती ही आपण पाहणार आहोत. मोस्ट पीपल प्रोबॅबली थिंक सॉल्ट ॲज अ सिम्पली white granular food. In fact, only 6% of all manufactured goes into the food. Apparently, we use salt in more than 14,000 different ways from the making of product as variety as a plastic paper, glass, polymer, rubber and fertilizers to household bleach, soaps, detergent and dyes. Everyone use salt directly or indirectly. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये आपल्याला सॉल्ट म्हणजे फक्त एवढीच माहिती असते की ते एक व्हाईट कलरचे पार्टिकल्स आहेत आणि ते ग्रॅन्युलर त्यांचा शेप वगैरे आहे. पण दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये अशा बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी असतात की ज्या सॉल्ट असतात किंवा सॉल्ट आहेत पण आपल्याला त्यांची माहिती नाही. यामध्ये पॉलिमर, ग्लास, पॉलिस्टर, रबर, फर्टिलायझर्स असे वेगवेगळे पदार्थ यांचा समावेश होत असतो. देन वी हॅव टू स्टडी अबाउट कॉमन सॉल्ट इन आवर यस्टरडेज लेक्चर. कॉमन सॉल्ट chemical formula is NaCl, chemical name is sodium chloride, and the different use of sodium chloride were given in our yesterday's lecture. In applications, we have to study different uses of NaCl. Now we have to study about baking soda. Chemical name sodium bicarbonate, or it is also called as a sodium hydrogen carbonate. Chemical formula NaHCO3, and the reaction which is performed in this type is NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. When they mix together, it can form NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Different use of these salts were given, that is making of glass, soap, paper, manufacturing borax, cleaning agent, domestic purpose and other different uses are given in our syllabus. Now next was sodium, or it is called as a washing soda. The chemical name is sodium carbonate. Chemical formula is Na2CO3. Reaction will be twice NaHCO3. It will gives Na2CO3 plus H2O and CO2. And then after, when we have to react Na2CO3 with 10 H2O, it can form Na2CO3 dot 10 H2O. The application of washing soda will be same as per the sodium bicarbonate, that is making of glass, soap, paper. It is also used in manufacturing borax. Then cleaning agent, domestic purpose, used to remove permanent hardness of water. Sodium carbonate test, neutralize the corrosive effect of chlorine, salt base electrolytes and etc. Then our next common substance is bleaching powder. That is chemical name is calcium oxychloride and chemical formula will be CaOCl2. The process of making bleaching powder is easy, that is electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride and chloride on dry slaked lime gives bleaching powder. That means when calcium oxalate is react with chlorine, it will form bleaching powder and H2O. The uses or application of bleaching powder is that it is used in bleaching the cotton and lines in textile industry, bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. It is also used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry, and the common use of bleaching powder is disinfecting the drinking water. So these are some common salt we have to study in our lecture, that is sodium chloride means NaCl, sodium bicarbonate that is baking soda, sodium carbonate that is washing soda, bleaching powder, it is also called as a calcium oxychloride, and few of them are copper sulfate, sodium carbonate, calcium sulfate. Now we have to learn actually what is mean by water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is droplets of H2O that is hydrated on a chemical. That means in a high pressure the water molecules is compressed on that substance. For example, copper sulfate dot H2O, that 5H2O is the water of crystallization, and the formula, that is water of crystallization, is the fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of a salt. Next one will be sodium carbonate. In sodium carbonate 10 H2O molecules will be present. In calcium sulfate 2 H2O molecules will be present. Then we have to learn about some substance in our daily use which contains water of crystallization. That means alum, potassium alum, K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 twice, and 24 H2O molecules. That means borax, Na2B4O7 dot H2O, Epsom salt, that means magnesium sulfate, it contains 7 H2O molecules. Barium chloride, it contains 2 H2O molecules. Sodium sulfate, it contains 10 H2O molecules. So you have learned that alum is used in the process of water purification because of property of coagulation. The solid impurities in water comes together and becomes heavy and settle to the bottom. As a result, water above becomes clear. Blue vitriol is used in the blood test for diagnosing the anemia. In this, Bordeaux mixture, which is used as a fungicide on fruit like grapes, musks, and etc. These are the uses of some common salt which use in our day-to-day life. Thank you.